Welcome back to African Wonders, the series where we explore the top 12 things African countries are known for globally. This is series 5, so if you're new here, be sure to check out our previous content for more fascinating insights. We've been all over this beautiful continent, from the savannas of the east to the deserts of the south. And today we continue our journey in the western part of the continent, focusing on a country that holds a special place in history and culture: Ghana. Ghana, the land of vibrant colors, infectious rhythms, and a history as rich and deep as the gold it was once famous for. Now you might be thinking, Ghana, why does that name ring a bell? Well, my friends, get ready to add some knowledge to that noggin, because today we're diving deep into the top 12 things that put Ghana on the world map. Our first stop takes us to the coast, to a place that sends shivers down your spine the moment you hear its name: Cape Coast Castle. Now, this isn't your typical fairy tale castle. No, this is a place where history stares back at you with eyes filled with sorrow and resilience. Cape Coast Castle, you see, was a major hub during the transatlantic slave trade, a place where millions of Africans were held captive before being shipped off to the Americas. Walking through those dungeons, you can almost feel the weight of their suffering, the echoes of their stories, a stark reminder of the darkest chapters of human history. But even in the face of such tragedy, the spirit of resilience shines through. Today, Cape Coast Castle stands as a monument to the strength of the human spirit, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, reminding us never to forget the past and to fight for a future where such atrocities are never repeated. From the somber history of Cape Coast, we're heading inland to a place where nature's beauty will take your breath away. Kakum National Park. Imagine this. You're walking through a lush rainforest, sunlight filtering through the canopy above, the air thick with the scent of damp earth and exotic flowers. Then you see it, the Kakum Canopy Walkway, a series of suspended bridges stretching over 350 meters high above the forest floor. Now, if you're afraid of heights, this might not be for you, but trust me, the views are worth it. As you walk among the treetops, you'll be surrounded by the sights and sounds of the rainforest's incredible biodiversity. Monkeys swing through the trees, exotic birds flit through the branches, and if you're lucky, you might even spot some of the forest's more elusive inhabitants. It's a truly immersive experience that will leave you feeling humbled by the power and beauty of the natural world. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're heading to the capital city, Accra, a place where the energy is palpable, the music is infectious, and the food will make you want to slap your mama. But please don't, respect your mama. Accra is a melting pot of cultures, a city that seamlessly blends tradition and modernity. During the day, explore the bustling markets where you can haggle for everything from colorful fabrics to hand-carved souvenirs. And when the sun sets, Accra truly comes alive. The streets are filled with music, from high life to hip life, people dancing, laughing, and enjoying the electric atmosphere. Whether you're a foodie, a history buff, or just looking for a good time, Accra has something for everyone. Chapter 4, Lake Volta, the lake that's bigger than some countries. Next up, we're embarking on a journey to a lake so vast it's hard to comprehend its scale: Lake Volta. Now, this isn't your average lake. Oh no, this is one of the largest man-made lakes in the world, created by damming the Volta River. It's so big, in fact, that it has its own islands, some of which are home to entire communities who rely on the lake for their livelihood. You can take a boat trip across its shimmering waters, marvel at the stunning sunsets, and even try your hand at fishing for tilapia, one of the many fish species that call Lake Volta home. Chapter 5, Ashanti Kingdom, where history meets royalty. Prepare to be transported back in time as we journey to the heartland of Ghana, to a kingdom steeped in history and tradition, the Ashanti Kingdom. The Ashanti people have a rich cultural heritage, known for their intricate craftsmanship, especially when it comes to gold. The Ashanti king, the Asantehene, holds a revered position in society, and you can visit the Manhia Palace Museum in Kumasi to learn more about their fascinating history and customs. And if you're lucky enough to witness one of their traditional ceremonies, you'll be treated to a spectacle of vibrant costumes, rhythmic drumming, and captivating dances. Chapter 6, Woolly Waterfalls, nature's shower of wonder. Get ready to feel the mist on your face and hear the roar of cascading water as we head to the tallest waterfall in Ghana, and indeed all of West Africa. Uyili Waterfalls. Nestled within the lush Agumatsa Wildlife Sanctuary, the falls plunge from a height of over 80 meters, creating a truly awe-inspiring spectacle. The adventurous can hike to the top of the falls, but be warned, it's a challenging climb, and you might get a little wet along the way. But trust me, the panoramic views from the summit are worth every drop of sweat. Chapter 7. Calling all wildlife enthusiasts. Our next stop takes us to Mole National Park, Ghana's largest national park and a haven for animal lovers. Hop aboard a Jeep safari and get ready to encounter some of Africa's most iconic creatures in their natural habitat. From majestic elephants to graceful antelopes, from playful baboons to stealthy leopards, Mole National Park has it all. And if you're lucky, you might even spot the king of the jungle himself, the lion basking in the sun or stalking its prey. Chapter 8. Our journey through Ghana's history takes us to another poignant site, Elmina Castle. Like Cape Coast Castle, Elmina Castle played a significant role in the transatlantic slave trade, serving as a major point of departure for enslaved Africans. Standing within its walls, you can't help but feel the weight of history, the stories of those who were imprisoned here before being forcibly taken from their homeland. It's a sobering reminder of the horrors of slavery and the importance of remembering the past so we can create a better future. Chapter 9. Our next stop is a place of reverence, a tribute to the man who led Ghana to independence, Kwame Nkrumah. The Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum and Memorial Park in Accra is a fitting tribute to Ghana's first president, a visionary leader who played a pivotal role in the Pan-African movement. The mausoleum's unique architecture, designed to resemble an upturned sword, is a sight to behold, and inside you'll find exhibits showcasing Nkrumah's life and legacy. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to enter the realm of the truly unique, the Paga Crocodile Pond. Now, you might be thinking, crocodiles in a pond? That sounds dangerous. And you wouldn't be wrong. Crocodiles are, let's face it, terrifying creatures. But here's the thing. In Paga, the relationship between humans and crocodiles is one of, dare I say it, respect. The locals believe the crocodiles are sacred, and for a small fee, you can even get up close and personal with these ancient reptiles. Don't worry, there's usually a guide there to make sure you don't become a crocodile's afternoon snack. Get ready to be dazzled by a kaleidoscope of colors and intricate patterns as we explore the world of kente cloth. Woven from silk and cotton, kente cloth is more than just fabric. It's a visual representation of Ashanti history, philosophy, and beliefs. Each color and pattern holds a special meaning, and the cloth itself is often worn during important ceremonies and festivals. Whether you're admiring the craftsmanship of a kente weaver or browsing through a market stall filled with colorful cloths, you can't help but be captivated by the beauty and cultural significance of this ancient tradition. Our final stop takes us to the heart of Accra's art scene, to a festival that transforms the streets into an open-air gallery, the Chale Wote Street Art Festival. Every year, artists from Ghana and beyond descend upon the streets of Jamestown, Accra's oldest district, to showcase their talents through murals, graffiti, installations, and performances. It's a vibrant celebration of art, music, and culture, a testament to the creative energy that pulsates through Ghana's veins. And that's a wrap on our whirlwind tour of Ghana's top 12 attractions, from historical landmarks to natural wonders, from bustling cities to tranquil lakes. Ghana has something to offer every traveler. If you're looking for an adventure that will ignite your senses, challenge your perspectives, and leave you with memories to last a lifetime, then Ghana should be at the top of your travel list. Be sure to check out our previous content for more fascinating insights into other incredible African countries. Stay tuned as we continue to bring you similar videos across the African continent, showcasing the beauty, diversity, and wonder that this continent has to offer. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more adventures.